Welcome back to atCAMS. Today we have another opportunity for you to get to know what is going on with the auto industry, guys. And that competition is here and is right now. The muscle truck competition has come in our era, which it transformed from the muscle car competition between Dodge, Ford, and Chevy. Now it's turning into the muscle truck competition and challenging. It's amazing because we, the enthusiasts, get to have pretty much the best products in the auto industry when these three big companies get together and they try to go at each other. We love that. But I'm saying that now Ford is preparing to build the Ford Ranger 2023, and also tomorrow, February the 3rd, they are revealing the F150 Raptor. And no more teases, guys, no more teases. Ford is coming with everything. And when I say everything, means they are more than likely going to try to get the F150 with a V8. And that's my speculation. That's my speculation. I am not saying they're coming with a V8, but more than likely they should. Because if the T-Rex has a V8 supercharger with a 702 horsepower and 6.9 liter displacement, Ford should not be behind. My speculations and my opinion is that they're coming with the GT500 engine and they're going to place it inside of the Raptor engine bay. And we will see that tomorrow. When you see this video today, tomorrow you will see that. And I will be here highlighting what's going on with the F-150 Raptor. I said today the debut of the Raptor is going to be at 11 o'clock in the morning U.S. Eastern Time, which it will be around 5 o'clock in the afternoon for me in Italy. And I will be probably more than likely streaming this event live and talking about everything about the Raptor as of tomorrow. But Ram has not lost the opportunity to start trolling the Raptor, and it has not even been here yet. And as it today for February 3rd, 21, see it yourself for Raptor. Ram Truck says, pop the hood. And when they mean it, they mean it. They're going to start the muscle trucks war today, and we will be the witnesses of this. This is the 2021 muscle truck wars. More than likely just between the two bigs, Ford and Ram, which is Dodge. We all know that. And maybe in the future, Chevy will join the club. But right now, it has been for the longest time a one-player game, which it was Ford with the Raptor since its conception back in the 2010s. And now T-Rex Ram is here and is here to stay, and they are trolling in the social media era, the muscle truck challenges. And let me say this, they can brag about it because they have the 6.2 liter V8 engine with 702 horsepower, which it boasts 524 kilowatts for our people in the globe. And for the US, the Raptor has a 3.5 liter V6 with 450 horsepower, 336 kilowatts for the people in the globe. And now Ram says 450 is not enough. A V6 3.5 is not enough. But for most of us, the mere mortals in the auto industry, we are more than pleased with the V6 on the Raptor. Even though you might be thinking that it's a sacrilege to have a V6 on a pickup truck, full-size pickup truck like the Raptor. And yes, it might be, but it's not that big of a deal right now. I'll say that 450 horsepower is more than adequate in a pickup truck, but 702 doesn't sound any bad. It's like a Lambo on stilts. But that's not me to say it. It's for you guys, the ones who are going to purchase it, to say about it. But their TRX right now boasts can speed in straight line from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. And the Raptor can do the same in 6.0 seconds. Still fast enough, not faster than the TRX. The TRX is in the sports car territory, and the Raptor is in the decent sports cars territory. With the heavyweight trucks, I think that this is more than adequate, guys. And you, the mere mortals, the Joes, like young Joes like us, the regular Joe who's going to go back and forth from point A to point B with this pickup trucks and just show off, that they can care less about the 0 to 60 speed. I will say that the rumbling of the V8 is insane and it sounds great, but as we speak today, the TRX is the king of the hill in the horsepower category and probably in the looks too, because the Ford Raptor needs a refresh and that refresh is happening tomorrow. So in other news, we're gonna switch gears to the Ford Ranger 2023, and Ford is investing over $1.0 billion to prepare the new Ford Ranger. The Ranger has been one of the most successful products from Ford globally, and I will say globally because some of the people who have left comments on my channel have been saying that the global products are from third world countries cannot come to the US. Oh my God, how dare them bring a third world country vehicle into the US? We need better, bigger, and the best. Let me tell you something, guys. The Ford is a global product. Ford Mustang is a global product. The Ford Focus used to be a global product. Right now, the Ranger has been a global product for the longest time. Actually, the Ford Ranger from the globe, from the third world countries market, is the one that is being sold in the United States. And some of you guys are ignorant enough to say that the third world country trucks cannot come to the US. And I have the proofs of some of those comments. Ignorant as it can be. But anyways, this is me ranting again. I need to pay my therapist before to make some videos. But right now, the automaker will export the Ranger over 100 global markets. Not just one market. We're talking about the globe, another globe product from Ford. And the Ford Ranger is going to take a lot of the influences from the current F-150, and it's supposed to be and share technologies with the next generation Volkswagen Amarok. And for some of you guys in the US who do not know what an Amarok is, let me show it to you right now. Let me enlighten you in a second right here. Amarok. The Amarok is this beautiful pickup truck from the globe. I'm just trolling, guys. You know, sometimes it's very important for me to make people in the US understand. Not all of you guys. Most of you guys are very smart and very intelligent and leave very nice comments. But when you leave comments that are completely off the hook, I have to like pull you back and say, hey, this is your global product that is going to be sharing the underpinnings of the Ford Ranger 2023. $1.0 billion in South African manufacturing operations, and that product is going to be sold in the US. So this Ford Ranger is going to be built in South Africa. Wow, this is good news because it's going to be a cheap product for the global market. They're planning to have capacity to build up to 168,000 vehicles with this new huge investment and boosted up to approximately 200,000 units per year. The Ranger is going to be sold in the global market in the US and over the globe. Like I said, strategic alliance with Ford and Volkswagen. And it's going to create 1,200 new jobs and is going to have an increased workforce of over 5,000 employees. And when we look at this, the Ford Ranger is growing in size. It's not bad because the actual Ford Ranger is a little bit slim and nice, and and the weight distribution is gonna be bigger. It's gonna be bolder. It's gonna be like stronger. It's gonna be like a F-150, but slightly smaller, which is gonna look really good. I like the headlamps that is displaying right now. The camouflage doesn't tell much about the side panels and the bed sides, but I think it's going to be a really nice product. Mid-size pickup truck has been dominated. The market has been dominated by the Toyota Tacoma for the longest time, and the Ranger needs to establish itself as one of the new products in the market. And as of today, I'm going to leave you guys with this, and the question of the day is... The question of the day is, would you buy a Ford Ranger if it's the global Ford Ranger? And it's not just for the United States market. All that being said, I will leave you guys with this, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the F150 Raptor release. And that's going to be good. I know it's going to be good. I'll see you guys soon.